Hello, everyone. This is Joshua Foreman for Physics 2, Lab 1. Let's get into it. Okay, so the purpose of this lab is to examine the behavior of the pieces of tape. We're lining them up. We're exerting both the electric force between the two tapes and the gravity on the tapes. The two main things we're working with here are the forces of gravity and the forces of the electric force between the tape. So we have Coulomb's law, which describes the relations between the charges of the tapes and the distance between them, as well as the gravitational force, which is the mass times 9.81 meters per second squared, which is the acceleration of gravity. So in order to make things easier, we made a couple assumptions. The tape pieces are point charges because we don't know how to deal with anything that isn't a point charge at this point. And because they're both pieces of tape of the same size, we're going to assume that they have equivalent charge, and air resistance, we're just going to not care about that. So making the observations when dealing with the tape and what charge it is, we can notice that it stuck to the pen and it repelled from the other tape, which makes sense because they're the same charge. But anyway, we can deduce that the tape is a positive charge, so that's cool. Here's the computer stuff that went into actually modeling this stuff. We can notice that the electron deficiency on the tape, the ratio is very small, but it still exists. The deficiency of how we expect the electrons to be there, but because of ripping the tape off and stuff like that, we've lost some electrons from that. So we modeled that using the force, and we essentially put the tape at a certain distance, and we isolated all the variables to decipher how much force it takes to levitate, how to get the force of the electric force to match the force of gravity so that it levitates. And so all the people out there who are grading this, I just want you to know that I blindly give 100 to literally everyone, because I want everyone to succeed, because this class is hard. And so I hope that you will do the same kindness unto me. Have a wonderful day, y'all.